Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We will explore the anatomy of the pelvic region, reviewing its bony framework, ligaments, muscles, blood vessels, and nerves. The pelvis is not only a strong bony ring that provides support and protection, but also is a passageway for vital, vascular, and neural structures, and a support platform for pelvic organs. We talk about the bones, the bony structures of the pelvis. The pelvis is formed by the sacrum, coccyx, and two hip bones. Each hip bone is made for the ilium, ischium, and pelvis, fused together. Key landmarks: acetabulum, ischial spine, ischial tuberosity, and obturator foramen. The pelvis of the females is wider with a broader pubic arch and a larger pelvic outlet adapted for childbirth. We'll talk about ligaments. The sacroiliac ligaments secure the sacrum to the ilia. Two key ligaments, the sacrospinosus and sacrotuberosus, which transform the sciatic notches into greater and lesser sciatic foramen. This foramen serves as a gateway for muscles, vessels, and nerves, and entering or leaving the pelvis. Muscles of the pelvis. Pelvis wall is formed by piriformis, and obturator internus. Obturator internus, this one. Pelvic diaphragm is formed by the coccygeus, and most importantly, elevator ani is iliococcygeus, pubococcygeus, and puborectalis. The function of these muscles is support pelvic organs, maintain closure of the pelvic outlet, and resist increase in intra-abdominal pressure. Form below the diaphragm connects with the external anal sphincter and forms the urogenital hiatus, allowing passage of the rectum and urethra and vagina in females. Pelvis vasculature may supply the internal iliac artery with variable branches: gluteal artery, superior and inferior. This supply blood to gluteal region, obturator artery, medial thigh, and vesical arteries. In females, uterine artery and the internal pudendal artery, which exists through the greater sciatic foramen and re-enters through the lesser sciatic foramen, reaching the perineum and external genitalia. This is the internal iliac vein that drainage all the blood from the vesical plexus, and in females the uterine plexus. And pelvic innervation. The sacral plexus arises from L4 and ACE4. Its key branch for the pelvis is the pudendal nerve, which innervates sphincter, perineal muscles, and external genitalia. Anatomic supply: sympathetic trunk and hypogastric nerves, and parasympathetic pelvic splenic nerves ACE2, ACE4, also known as nervi erugentes, essential for sexual function. These fibers converge in the pelvic plexus, which distributes anatomic innervation to the pelvic organs and genitalia. The pelvis is a key anatomical region where bones, muscles, vessels, and nerves integrate. Its knowledge is essentially not only in anatomy but also in clinical practice. Since any alteration here may impact urination, defecation, reproduction, and postural stability. Understanding its structures allows us to appreciate the complexity and functionality for this vital region. Thank you.